Production and industrial engineering. Food is more than emotion for all, a secret indulgence. The very idea of your favorite food delivered at your fingertips makes you ecstatic. It is at this juncture that online food delivery partners transform into our confidant. Swiggy, the celebrated food delivery app, receives 43 biryani orders in a minute on an average in India. This platform delivers food in almost 290 cities with more than 2 lakh delivery partners. Right from food to groceries, everything is available a click away and even delivered at your doorstep in a jiffy, while granting you the favor of not stepping out of your home. Now let's unravel how this marvel materialized. The magic pill for operating such massive online operations is the brilliance of an industrial engineer with his expertise in design and production that ensures the smooth operations of the production infrastructure. In this video, we're going to present you with exciting insights about the production and industrial engineering course. This is a post from your favorite education guide, College Suggest. Know your course, know your career. As a thrust to the Make in India program and to facilitate the country's ambition to emerge as a manufacturing hub, persuading the establishment of other global electronic pioneers, Apple has roped in Tata Electronics for developing iPhone components in India. Who can transform this dream into a reality? An industrial and production engineer can do it all. And the cherry on the cake is the affordable way in which an industrial engineer can actualize it. In India, industrial and production engineering is a developing subsidiary course from the popular electrical stream. It focuses on various aspects like developing, manufacturing, implementing, improving, and evaluating methods employed to integrate the systems of people, money, information, equipment, energy, and industrial processes in a scientific and economic way. The Make in India and Production Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme by the Government of India resonates with the demand for advancing awareness towards domestic brands. It also entails emphasizing on quality to make them globally competitive. This will ensure India's manufacturing economy an estimated escalation of $1 trillion by 2025. However, it's imperative that you pursue this particular stream from a well-reputed institute or university for a great career. The reason we suggest a good college is not merely for you to learn the subject, but also to ensure that you develop the required skill set. Key skills for manufacturing engineers are as follows: commercial awareness, which will help in economic operations, the ability to work effectively under pressure, problem-solving skills for smoothing operations, the ability to work in a team as production and manufacturing are not exclusive processes. Relevant technical knowledge to design the systems for industries. Good leadership skills are essential if you desire a promotion. IT skills. Communication skills and analytical skills are synonymous with every engineering degree. This talent pool of industrial engineers is embraced by the Government of India, resulting in measures to increase the share of indigenous manufacturing GDP from the current 15 to 16% to 25% by 2020. And this policy was in existence from 2011. India now enjoys the stature of the second biggest hub of mobile manufacturing across the globe. India witnessed a colossal 5-fold increase from 60 million mobile handsets in 2014 to 330 million in 2019. The reason for this growth is the exceptional mastery of an industrial engineer. These skills can help you establish your work style in a professional and revolutionary way, as the driving force in transcending India to a global manufacturing hub is investment and innovation. Typical responsibilities on the job are as follows: designing equipment, processes, procedures, and systems to facilitate operations, purchasing and installing equipment for manufacturing, repairing equipment and responding to breakdowns, investigating production problems and making improvements to enhance efficiency in overall operations, supervising engineering and technical staff, and managing budgets as well as statistical and financial records of the industry. Under the ambitious scheme of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Make in India, the production and imports of electronics escalated from $29 billion and $38 billion respectively in 2014 to $70 billion and $58 billion in 2019. This great leap was an upshot of a myriad of individual contributions by the industrial and product engineers who economically visualize these processes. The different job roles for them are as follows: industrial engineer, industrial designer, quality control engineer, manufacturing engineer, process engineer, project engineer, and field engineer. The Cabinet recently approved the Extensive Production Linked Incentive Scheme (PLI) worth Rs 12,200 crore to heighten local manufacturing of telecom gear for both the domestic market and exports. The thrust to this industry is not limited to the Indian government alone. There are top-notch recruiters that offer an excellent platform for production and industrial engineers. They are as follows: Tata Motors, Mahindra, Vedanta, Tata Hitachi, Hyundai, Trident Group Limited, Mu Sigma, Lakshmi Machine Tool Limited, L&T, Suzuki, and Godrej. To be competent in the field, upskilling is paramount. Siemens has initiated a technical education initiative termed Ignite to provide a systemic change in India's skilling environment by developing around 40,000 skilled workforce members in state-of-the-art technologies to realize India's objective of being a global manufacturing pioneer by the year 2024. The average salary package offered by these top companies is divided on the basis of experience in the field. Entry level is at 2.5 to 5 lakhs, mid-career 5 to 7 lakhs, experienced 7 to 15 lakhs. Andhra Pradesh crafted a holistic research and development system together with manufacturing units to propel the growth of enterprise values by introducing 10 lakh EVS by 2024. This initiative will be bolstered by the creation of 60,000 jobs and a Rs 30,000 crore investment. However, for the fashioning of such innovative approaches, choosing a premier institute is imperative. Some of the top institutions offering production and industrial engineering are Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar, Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad, VIT University, Vellore. To avail best knowledge and to be creative inventors in this field, you need to first fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria prescribed by these colleges. Qualification in the Class 12 examination from a recognized board with physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and a minimum aggregate score of 60%. Clearing JEE Main, JEE Advanced, or GATE exams is your way to your dream college. Clearing these exams will confer you the tag of an ECE student in one of the reputed colleges in the country. Being a lucrative field, the fee structure for this course ranges from 6.4 to 8.5 lakhs in India's various colleges, while the average salary for a fresher is 2 to 5 lakhs, which means that you can earn back your fee in approximately 2 years. According to Niti Aayog, the Indian government, having followed the framework of mobile manufacturing, has launched similar schemes in pharmaceutical, medical devices, automobile, networking products, food processing, advanced chemistry, and solar PV manufacturing. Who is the brain behind this revolutionary change? Yes, it is a production engineer who simplifies this whole process of manufacturing in a cost-effective manner. The breakneck pace of globalization has engendered the need for these professionals. A promising future lies ahead for these production and industrial engineers because of India's thriving manufacturing sector, which aims to be a global leader by 2025. A dedicated spirit and exhaustive knowledge in the field can make you a pioneer in the sector with your novel inventions in manufacturing, packaging, and delivery. What is the course that you want to pursue next? Tell us. We will provide all the information you need to make the right decision. If you agree with our analysis, do give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.